باب القعدة بين الخطبتين يوم الجمعة. القعدة, sitting. بين الخطبتين, between the two khutbas, يوم الجمعة, on the day of Jumu'ah. Meaning the Imam, when he's giving the khutbah, where is he giving? Where is he standing? On the mimbar. And he's standing. So while he's giving the khutbah, what should he do? He should give a pause in the middle, so that the khutbah is divided into two parts. And during that pause, what should the Imam do? He should sit down. Because he has been standing, so he should sit down and take a break. But that break, how should it be? 1 hour, 2 hours long, 3 days long? No, few moments, and then get up again. Taking a break is necessary in anything that you're doing. The weekend, 1 day, right? A few minutes here, an hour or two here. It's natural, it's necessary. Because when you're doing something for so long, then you are bound to get tired and exhausted. Right? So when you take a break, that helps you perform better. It refreshes you, rejuvenates you. But that break should not be so long that it gets difficult for you to get back into work mode again. حدثنا مسدد قال حدثنا بشر بن المفضل قال حدثنا عبيد الله عن نافع عن عبد الله قال كان النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم يخطب خطبتين يقعد بينهما. He said the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم would give 2 khutbas and he would sit between both of them. Meaning between the 2 khutbas he would sit briefly. Now notice over here يخطب خطبتين. Which khutbah is this? We're saying Jumu'ah because this is in Kitab al-Jumu'ah. Huh? Majority of the scholars, they have said this is Jumu'ah khutbah. Okay? Because from other reports, this is what we see. The Prophet ﷺ did 2 khutbahs, and between the 2 khutbahs, a brief sitting. When it comes to Eid khutbah, how many khutbahs are there? 1 khutbah. There is one narration in which we learn that 2 khutbahs were done, and between the 2 khutbahs was a sitting. However, that narration is weak. Alright? So, Eid khutbah, how many? 1 khutbah, not 2. Istisqa also, Salatul Istisqa, the khutbah for that is also 1. But Jumu'ah, how many? 2. And also we learn in a narration that the Prophet ﷺ, he would, when he would ascend the mimbar, he would remain sitting until the mu'adhin would complete the adhan. Then he would stand up in order to give the khutbah. Then he would sit down in order to take a break. And he would be silent during that. فَلَا يَتَكَلَّمُ. He would not speak. And then he would stand up again in order to give the second khutbah. So this shows to us that between the 2 khutbahs, what should be done? Silence should be maintained by the imam and also by those who are present, listening.